Hi kids, welcome back. Santa here yet again, and yet again we have another unboxing. Here we go with the Logitech 3D Extreme Pro. Give me one moment. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. We love playing Star Wars Battlefront II with 2 joysticks at once. Yes we do. That's the whole name of the game here, folks. That is the entire reason why we get these things in the first place. We like our little quirks. We like having fun. I'll turn this around. There we go. Let's see, getting the packaging off with one hand without trying to destroy myself. There we go. Okay. What we got? They definitely updated the box. It's been a while since I got one of these. These things are common. Seriously, you can find these at Best Buy, anywhere, or any typical place that sells your typical gaming accessories. Here we go, 3D Extreme Pro. What we got on the box? Rapid fire triggers, hat switches, comfortable grip, oh yes. Reload switch right there, that's what I like. Programmable buttons, oh yes, oh yes. Stable, weighted, bassy, oh yes. Precision engineer control thrutter and thrutter? What's that? Rudder and shit. Yeah. Back, boring shit. Front, a little speck of what the shit looks like on the inside. Pretty neat. Alright, let's get to the main deal, eh? Let's see here, putting down the cam for a second. Okay. Really? Really? I swear if they tape this any further. Hold up. There we go. Okay. There we are, that's a joystick. Anything else? I remember they used to put CDs in here. No more. Okay. Look at that. This here a joystick. We got a hat, we got buttons, we got more buttons, we got even more buttons, we got even more buttons than that. We have a throttle, we have a rudder, we have absolute precision arcade style controls with Star Wars Battlefront II and Halo Combat Evolved, the original one from Gearbox, if you remember that one. But yeah, seriously, if you want to try this out, grab yourself 2 different drivers of joystick models. You know, if you literally have 2 of the same, it's literally not going to work. But yeah, get 2 different joysticks, plug them in, and whichever game supports it, Star Wars Battlefront 2, Halo Combat Evolved are the only 2 I know of so far. Hey yeah, fun shit on a stick. We'll catch you later. Santa out. Love you, boo boo. Mwah.